Okay, the questions in the sketch below present the sketch below represents the curve f of x is equals to x cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. The solution for the equation f of x is equals to 0 are -2, 1, -4. So these are the solution when f is equals to 0, meaning these are the roots, meaning that this is our -2, this is 1, this is 4. Now let's say calculate the value of, in other words, determine the equation. But remember, the equation depends on what are we given. In this case, we're given the rules. If given the rules, we write f of x is equals to we write a into f of x equals to a into x minus x at 1, x minus x at 2, x minus x minus x at 3, because with the rules. So in this case, a is given, it's here, it's 1. So it's f of x, it is equals to x. Now this is the first root, we oppose the sign, there is -2, here we write +2, x, here it's 1, we write -1, x, here it's 4, we write -4. Then now we will multiply out this. Now we can have x times x, which is x squared, minus x times 1 minus x, or plus 2x minus x minus 2 into x minus 4. Then we have x squared, 2x minus 1, it's plus x minus 2 into x minus 4. So now we're going to have x squared times x, which is x cubed. X squared minus 4 times minus 4 is minus 4x squared. X times x is x squared. Minus 2 times x minus 2x. Then now x minus times minus 4 is 4x. X 2 times 2 is plus 8. So we have our x cubed minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 8. Then in this case, I have my b is equals to -3, I have my c is equals to -6, I have my d, it is equals to 8. Then I've answered the first 4 marks. They say calculate the value of b, the maximum turning point. Value of b, the maximum turning point. Okay, now how do we get that maximum turning point? In this case, we have to do the derivative. So now, because I know the values of b, I'm going to say f of x, it is equals to x cubed minus 3x minus 6x plus 8. Then I derive this f prime of x is equals to 3x squared minus 6x minus 6. This is equals to 0. I'm going to factorize this. So I'm doing 3x squared minus 6x minus 6 is equals to 0. I divide here by 3. So I'm going to have my x plus 3. I'm going to have my x squared minus 2x minus 2 is equals to 0. So I don't have factors of 2 that I will add and divide to give me that. So I'm going to use the quadratic equation. I have to use the quadratic equation. So I'm going to say let me check this. I'm going to have my x is plus or minus square root of x is equals to b minus or plus b squared minus 4ac over a. So you write the value of b here, you will find it's going to be the -1. So determine the equation of the tangent when x is equals to -1. So what do we do in that case? Talking about the tangent, 9.3. Talking about tangent f prime of -1 is equals to m. So we're going to say the f prime here, it is equals to x squared minus 6x minus 6. So we have 3 into -1 squared minus 6 into -1 minus 6. So they're going to have 3 plus 6 minus 6 equals to m. So the gradient m is equals to 3. Then I have y is equals to 3x. Y is equals to 3x plus c. Now do we find c? Let me get the point of contact here. We want to put x is equals, want to put -1 on this here, so that I have f -1, so that I know the point of contact. X of -1, which is -1 cubed minus 3 into -1 squared minus 6 into -1 plus 8. That's what I have there. So I'm going to have minus 1 minus 3 plus 6 plus 8, which this give me minus 4, which that give me 10. So I'm going to say from this I have my 10 is equals to 3 into negative 1 plus c. So c it is equals to 10 plus 3, then c is equals to 13. Then my equation is y is equals to 3x plus 10. That's the equation of the tangent. That's the equation of the tangent. Then now say sketch the what? The equation of the equation of the second derivative. So we derive this for the second time. We derive this. We want to have f prime of x. It is equals to 6x minus 6. So that's the equation. So this is the equation to find y x in y-intercept. So x intercept is going to let y be 0. So 0 is equals to 6x minus 6. So x is equals to 1. So plus with negative 6. So to sketch that graph, they say there's a place to sketch it. Gradient is positive, is passing through bin 1 and negative 6. So I'm going to have the second prime like this. So this is my second prime of x. It said now for which values of x is the concave up? Why are they asking this question? Because of this. They're asking us this question because of that. So now we're going to look at this value of x here and see this concave will be if x is positive. If graph is above x-axis, it will be down if the graph is below x-axis. So they're saying concave up. So concave up will be there if the graph is above the x-axis. So meaning that now concave up will be there when x is greater than 1. That is the concave up here. This is question. It's 9.5. This is the question 9.5.